After Eight mints really take me back. I associate these with Christmas. These are originally from a company from the UK called Roundtree, and they came out in the early 60s, I think, and it was bought out by Nestle in 1988. They were originally marketed for post-dinner consumption by adults, hence the After Eight branding. And I remember as a kid in the 70s just lusting after these, and I wasn't allowed them. Brian Sollitt designed these chocolates so that a creamy mint fondant could be cased without spillover. He used a special enzyme called invertase to keep the mint center soft and required special dryers to create the signature ripple effect on top. To this day, they're still packaged rather sophisticatedly in these ultra-fine paper cases. They taste lovely. The choice of a less sweet dark chocolate is perfect here. Otherwise, it'd be too much. I'm trying to find the opening here. Now, do I think these are the best tasting chocolates in the world? Probably not. I think I might prefer other ones of this nature when it comes to chocolate alone. I like the York Peppermint Patty, for example. However, the packaging and that slim design of these little minties, look at this. That slim design, it actually wins me over. I still consider them special to this day, and I go out of my way to get them at Christmas, usually in bulk for the season. I happen to have this extra one left over, just the smaller pack. And, oh, I can smell the mint. Holy cow, it smells amazing. Let me have a little taste here. Yes, I'd get these in bulk, you guys. The bigger sizes if you can, because you open them at parties and just watch them disappear. Recommended.